Okay, so I have the Synco, the wireless. I'm gonna put it right here. So they do charge pretty good. They charge pretty fast. What I like about these, if you're around the house, I can have my camera, I can sync it to the phone. That way I could zoom in. But once you go outside, the length on your camera and your phone is gonna cut off, because it's only like 20 feet away that you can use it. But I like these because you can walk around the house, you can do anything, and you still talk and you still have a clear voice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk outside and I'm gonna walk outside and we're gonna take a test. So I'm gonna keep walking as I walk out, and see my hand through the window. Probably not, but just do a quick walk. I'm walking right now. I'm walking back. I'm about to open the door. But this is a good alternative if you don't want to spend a lot of money and go with the road go. You can always buy these, and they're pretty good for a certain amount of distance. Like if you need them for interviews or anything, they'll do the job. But like and subscribe, thank you, and hit the notification bell.